You are welcome everyone to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you are going to learn the CRUD application using Laravel. This tutorial is simplified and everything you need to understand about the CRUD application in Laravel, it's broken down for you in this tutorial. Let's check what we are going to build and learn from this tutorial. We're going to build this interface and we are going to add some functionalities like the create, read, update, and delete, which is CRUD. So let us add a product by clicking on this add product. So yeah, I'll come here and let's say I want to add a product. Let me come here and say I want to add a product. HP laptop, category electronics, the price, let me say it, get a laptop. I click this and I click add product. So you can see we've added a product to our table. Let us add another product again. So I come here and I say I want to add a bag, bag, category fashion, price. Then I look for the bag and I click add product. So this is how we are able to create the add products, which is create. So the next thing you're going to learn from this course is the other functionality, which is the edit, update, and delete. So let's say I want to update this HP laptop. So I'll just come here and click on edit. Okay, so you can see that. So I want to change this to a shoe. So let me say I will need a shoe and this is fashion. This will be fashion. Then the price. Okay. So I'll replace the image with the shoe and I click on update products. So you can see it has been updated. So you get how that works. So what if I want to also update this? I want to update this shirts, this sweater shirts. I click this. Then let me change the photo. So let's say I want to update it to maybe another set of phone, or let me change it to another set of phone. Then I change this to iPhone Max, then which is electronics. The price, make it so be this. Okay, and I click on update products. So you can see that I've updated the product and you're having iPhone Max. So you see this is how we edit and update. So what if I want to delete a product? Let's say I want to delete this shoe. I click on the delete. So you can see this lovely sweet alert that is displaying as a pop-up. So let me delete this shoe. I click on the delete and I click yes, delete it. So you can see we've successfully deleted the shoe. So let me delete this iPhone Max. I click on it and I click yes, delete. So you can see how lovely this application looks. So if this video is helpful, please make sure you like this video, comment on it, share also, and please endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can get you more programming videos. So thank you very much as I see you in the next lesson.